Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather Ferris and I run a Pinterest marketing agency and education company helping content creators, course creators, entrepreneurs alike use Pinterest to send more traffic to their businesses. So this week's video, we're talking about digital products and how you can utilize them in your business and also use Pinterest as your marketing engine to get more traffic and sales. Welcome back. Heather Ferris here. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're new, go ahead and take a second to subscribe to this channel. I release weekly content all about using Pinterest in your business and everything that comes along with using Pinterest as a marketing strategy. This week, we're going to talk about digital products and how to use them in your business. I'm just looking at my notes. How to use them in your business, what digital products you can create, price ranges, platforms, you name it. We're going to dive into it at least a little bit and talk about it. So, digital products, what are they and why should you use them? Digital products are just that. They are digital. There is a bigger profit margin on using digital products in your business. You can create digital products for everything that you do in your business and use them as a way to get people to actually buy your higher ticket coaching programs or offers or whatever that is, or just make more money in general. So before you start creating digital products, you first need to know what your audience wants. Do not just create products and throw them out into the world, because chances are people aren't going to want them because you didn't do your research. Now, part of doing your research and making sure that your digital funnel is not going to flop is asking your audience what they want. Literally, go ask them. Instagram, whatever, like Facebook groups, DMs, go and talk to your ideal avatar, your ideal client, and ask them what their pain points are and ask them how you could help them with that as it relates to your business and what services or offerings you provide. I like to use the ask method model when I'm asking my audience what they want and what their pain points are. And essentially, you're going to ask questions like this. What is your single biggest pain point or frustration when it comes to X? So, what is your single biggest pain point or frustration when it comes to marketing on Pinterest? Once you have an idea of what you can sell and what pain points you can solve with that product, now you're going to go about actually creating some sort of product for it. Now, the different kinds of products are vast. You could create ebooks, guides, courses. Maybe your audience are photographers or people like me, content creators who need more Lightroom presets to edit our videos or photos, whatever that is. Whatever the actual digital product is going to vary based on, again, your audience and what they like to consume. So part of your research process should also be, how do you like to learn? Would you prefer A or B? Would you prefer a one-on-one program or a small digital product? Now, in our business, in my company, we sell Pinterest image templates for Canva. We sell strategy trainings that are video-based. We also sell tools like dashboards that you can use in your analytics. And we also have full courses that take you from A to Z with your Pinterest strategy. So those are our digital products. All of our products are actually digital. We don't sell anything physically. Let's talk a little bit about pricing, because pricing is a big, hurdle when it comes to creating digital products. You can go and create gigantic digital products and big courses, and you may want to price that sucker at like $1,500. And then your funnel could very well flop because you didn't do the proper research. So what I like to do when starting out with creating digital products is actually start at a lower price point. What I like to do with digital products, depending on how they're going to be in my funnel and where they're going to show up, they are priced at $17 to $97. On average, most of my digital products are actually priced between $27 to like $47, because I want to make them super easy for my people to come in, learn from me, and then ultimately hire me in some sort of capacity in their business. So that's how I structure my digital products. Now you may structure yours a little bit different. It's going to depend highly upon what you want to do inside your funnel. So we've talked about the types, we've talked about pricing and asking your audience what they want. Now let's just dig into one of my most popular funnels. Now my most popular funnel is actually split into two different funnel strategies. I have the same product on a Tripwire, and I sell the same product for a set price in my shop. So when people opt into my Pinterest strategy guide, which is free, they get the opportunity to purchase my Pinterest strategy training for $17 right away. If they don't purchase it at that $17 price point, you're locked out and you have to pay $27 for it at that point. So this is what I like to call a Tripwire funnel, and I really find these super effective. Now, behind my $17 Tripwire funnel is an email sequence that's going to encourage those people who opted in but didn't purchase the product to then go ahead and purchase the product. So I'm re-energizing them. I'm trying to reconvince them to buy it again. Now, for tools, when you're creating digital products, you have so many different options, it's not even funny. But I'm gonna boil it down for beginners. For beginners in creating digital products, you're gonna wanna use something simple like a landing page builder with a timer option. So you've got a couple different things you can do here. If you have a WordPress website, you can use Elementor, pay $49 for the pro license, and then you have access to their evergreen timers, which will keep people from going back again, right? The timer expires, and then they don't have access to that page again. They have to pay full price. The second option is lead pages. So I actually use both of these options. I use lead pages and Elementor. I'm actually in the process of switching all of my pages to Elementor because I use Deadline Funnel now, which we'll get to in a second. But lead pages also allows you to build your pages on their site. They load super fast. They have block, like drag and drop builders, which makes it super easy to build sales pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, and they also have a timer embedded in their program, in their landing page builder. So you can redirect them away from the Tripwire page upon expiration of the timer. So next, if you'd like to use a different type of timer, I use Deadline Funnel. I'll link that tool in the description. I'll actually link all of these in the description below if you'd like to check them out. But I use Deadline Funnel because it's a little bit more consistent with not allowing people to get back to that page. It truly is like pushing them to buy now or lose the opportunity. So I like to use Elementor or Divi to build my pages, and then I also use Deadline Funnel within that. Now, for email marketing, I use ConvertKit. There's also a link to that below. It's tag-based, automations, the whole 9 yards. I love using ConvertKit. I've used it for 4.5 years, and I will not go back to anything else. I came from MailChimp, hate it. Now, for selling my products and hosting my products, I actually use Access Ally, which is a WordPress plugin that I use on my site. Now, this allows me to actually have all my products and everything protected, so you actually have to purchase them and have the tag added from ConvertKit to get access. Within Access Ally is my payment system as well, so I don't actually have to use a third-party cart. I just use Access Ally. It hosts my courses, it protects them, and it's my cart, and it's a tagging system with ConvertKit, so it makes it super easy. I integrate with Stripe and PayPal for my payments to make it super easy for everyone on the planet, because everyone uses PayPal and Stripe. Now, once you have your digital products in place and you've got this whole process of like your funnels set up, all of these pieces are going, you've decided on what you want to create and launch into the world, now you can use Pinterest to actually be the engine for your funnel. Now, the very first thing you're going to do is create pins for it. create pins for it. Create pins for it all the time, consistently. You're not just gonna create a pin once and send it out. You're gonna create a pin multiple times. I like to create product pins. They're not actually products, but they are product pins for all of my funnels and upload them to Tailwind and schedule them weekly. Now, if you want more information on a Pinterest marketing strategy behind your funnels, I will make sure to link a video and a blog post below on how you can do that. Obviously, you can use promoted pins or organic strategy. I always suggest using both. It's a great tool to be able to use promoted pins and organic together, especially to promote your digital product funnel and to prove that your funnel actually works, to get people in there and to see what happens once they subscribe or purchase. Now, that's really it for this week's digital products. How to use digital products in your business, the tools you can use, how to ask your audience what they want. I hope this video was informational for you. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to learn about how to use Pinterest to actually drive more traffic to your funnel, there's a link below for my new Pinterest masterclass where I take you through every step you need to do in order to use Pinterest to drive more sales, more traffic, and grow your business using Pinterest. So make sure you sign up for that below. It's totally free. You get immediate access to the masterclass. And that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, and I will see you next time.